Hi, this is Amy Tate with Insider Travel Report. And I am here at the Mayfair House, Hotel and Garden in Coconut Grove. And I have the chance today to interview the new GM, Reese O'Connell. Can you tell me a little bit more about your history and how you've come to be a part of this general management?
All right. Thanks for having me. Thanks for coming by. Started off in Australia 25 years ago in food and beverage, worked my way up through the departments, worked for the Hyatt Regency down in Adelaide, Australia, and then came across to America as an intern, bounced around through different departments, and then made my way to Beverly Hills in Los Angeles, where I was for 4 years, and started off at the front desk and then left as a assistant general manager of the 88-room Lux Hotel Rodeo Drive. After that, I went to Shutters on the Beach, which is creme de la creme luxury property on the West Coast, and then made my way up to San Francisco, where I was also there, and I started working for a management company called Davidson Hotels, and they manage over 70 properties in America. And then I had a transfer to Miami Beach, which was my first taste of what Miami is all about. The last couple of years I have been in New York City, and now I'm back in Miami Beach.
So what a great place to be. It's like nice and warm down here. So that's awesome. Now you're here at a great location in Coconut Grove. Can you tell me a little bit what's more around here and different activities to do in this area?
Right. So just across the road from the Mayfair House Hotel and Garden, we have Coco Walk, which has a lot of great vendors like Salt and Shore. If you want some ice cream, you got some great sushi, and you got Narbonne, which is great for a beautiful almond croissant if you want some breakfast. And it's just a fantastic hub. It's one of the oldest neighborhoods in Miami, Coconut Grove, and the Mayfair House Hotel and Garden really plays into that.
That's amazing. I can't wait to go check it out. And those croissants sound really, really good. Now, can you tell me a little bit about the history of this hotel and the renovation that happened and reopened in September 2022?
Right. So back in 1985, the Mayfair House Hotel was born. We've got the architect and designer, Kenneth Treaster. And so he's basically what this whole place is about. And then it's been remodeled, obviously, and renovated. 13 months ago, we reopened, and Goodrich Design from New York has, the interior design company, has really brought it back to life.
It's a beautiful hotel, a lot of history here and a lot of Art Deco. And tell me a little bit about the rooms and suites that you have to offer.
So we have 179 rooms. There is no room that is alike. One of our most highly requested rooms is the Eden Studio because of the clawfoot bath that it has, which is standalone.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so, you've got to go check it out.
Very cool. I can't wait. Now, I was over here at the Mayfair Grill, and there was some great cuisine. Tell me a little bit more about your food and beverage offerings here for your guests.
Well, we've got the Mayfair Grill, which is downstairs, which does a 3-meal period. And then we have the Fountain Lounge, which is a great happy hour area in our hotel. And then we've got upstairs as well, which has great brunch and great poolside, sceneries upstairs.
So go ahead and tell me a little bit about the pool and activities that you have here for your guests.
So we have some great amenities here at the hotel. We've got bike rentals complimentary for our guests. We've also got a moke outside the front in our front drive that you can rent for the day and go around the surrounding suburbs of Coconut Grove. And then upstairs we've got a fantastic poolside activation that you can go and enjoy if you're a local or if you're staying here as a guest. But also every Saturday we have yoga. We have a partnership with Modern Om, and they do a beautiful yoga session here in our terrace.
So can you tell me a little bit more about what your guests can experience in 2024?
Well, we've recently come off a completion of a multi-million-dollar renovation here at the hotel, and in 2024 we've got the F1, we've got the US Open, and we've got Art Basel, so we're going to be a part of all of those exciting events, as Miami is one of the best cities in the world. So we're really excited to share that moment with guests.
So Reese, is there anything else you would like to tell our 126,000 travel advisors that are watching today?
Yes, we've recently won some awards. One in particular is the Condé Nast Hot List, and happy to share it with everybody and show everybody why.
That's awesome. Can't wait to see. And this is Amy Tate with Insider Travel Report.